What is electric field? Electric field is the region created around the charge in which another charge experiences an electric force. So the basic formula for electric field is electric force divided by test charge placed in the electric field. The SI unit is Newton per Coulomb. We know that the electric force is calculated by Coulomb's law. After the calculation, we get the formula E is equal to 1 upon 4p epsilon naught into Q upon R square. These are some properties of electric field lines. Now, we will solve some problems based on electric field intensity. Two charges 20 microcoulomb and minus 20 microcoulomb are placed at a point A and B separated by a distance 10 centimeter. Find the electric field at a point P on the perpendicular bisector of A and B at a distance of 12 centimeter from its middle point. From question, these are the given quantities. From figure, we can easily find side EP and BP by using the Pythagoras theorem. But why we are finding side EP and side BP? Because the electric field intensity depends upon the distance between the charge and the point where the electric field is to be found.
Now we are going to find the electric field intensity at point P due to plus 20 microcoulomb placed at point A. After the calculation, we have the electric field at point P due to A, which is 10.65 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb. For finding the electric field at P due to B because of minus 20 microcoulomb is same as the electric field at P due to A. Because the distance between P and B is same as that of P and A, which is 13 centimeters. Hence, electric field at P due to minus 20 microcoulomb is 10.65 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb. Now you have understood that, at point P there are two electric fields. One is because of A and other is because of B. The electric field intensity is a vector quantity. Hence, we know that there will be resultant electric field between EA vector and AB vector. Hence, from figure, we can say that resultant of EA vector and EB vector is equal to the sum of EA cos theta and EB cos theta. By doing calculation, we can find the resultant electric field intensity, which is 8.19 into 10 raised to 6 Newton per Coulomb.
Two charges 10 microcoulombs and minus 10 microcoulombs are placed at a point A and B, separated by a distance 10 centimeters. Find the electric field at a point P on the perpendicular bisector of AB at a distance of 12 centimeters from its middle point.
Comment your answer.